To enable dark mode in Google Chrome, what you need to do is just open up Play Store and type Chrome in here and just click on update. Now it's downloading it. Just wait for it to install and update. Now after installing, just open up Chrome from here. See that we are not in the dark mode, so what we need to do is just click on three dots and go to the new tab, and here just copy and paste this link. It will be given in the description. Alright, and now here just search for dark, D-A-R-K. Alright, and here you can see both these options, Android user interface and web contents. So just enable both of these and click on relaunch now. Now here you can see that we have the web contents as dark. Alright, and now go to three dots and click on settings. Now here you should see the options of dark mode here right under the home page. Alright, so if you doesn't see that, just go back and disable this Chrome user interface dark mode. Alright, if that doesn't show up. Alright, otherwise it's fine, and click on relaunch now. Now go to the settings again, and here you can see dark mode option. Alright, so just enable it, and we are in the full dark mode. Let me show you by opening one of the sites also. So this way you can enable dark mode. Just enjoy it.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.